Ever look at a price tag and wonder why there a little dot in the middle of number? That dot is called decimal. And by the end of this video, you will be able to read and write decimals like it's nothing. Hi, welcome to Formanite Academy. Today our topic is decimal. And first we learn what is decimal. Decimals are another way of writing fractions whose denominators are power of tens. Now understand with example. Here is 0 0.1, 0 0.01, 0 0.001 and 0 0.0001. Now how these are the power of 10. Now 0.1 is also write as 1/10 and 0.01 is 1/100th and 0.001 is 1/1000th. And now the last 0.0001 is 1/1000 10,000s. Now you notice that the 10,000 is greater than 1, but 1,000th is smaller than 1. How? The th at the end of the name tells you how the number is smaller or greater. Now we name a whole number. The name corresponds to place value based on the power of 10. We read 10,000 and 10 millions. Likewise, the name of the decimal places correspond to their fractions value. And here is the place value tables which I made. Place value of decimal numbers are shown to the left and the right of the decimal. Now we understand with example 4.3. Let's start how to name the decimals. Step 1. Name the number to the left of the decimal point, which is 4. Now the next step is right and for the decimal. Now name the number part on the right of the decimal point as if it were a whole number, which is 3. Name the decimal place, which is tenths. Now, this is the way to write the decimal problems. Now, let's take another example, which is 5.8. Now, write first the number which is present to the left side of the decimal, which is 5. Now, write and place of decimal and the translate now the number which is present on the right side of the decimal, which is 8. And now the final step is name the decimal place, which is tenth. Now let's take another example, which is 15.571. Now write into the numeral numbers, which is first translate the left side whole number which is present at the left side of the decimal is 15. Now write the and for the decimal and now translate the word which is present to the right side of the decimal, which is 500. Hundred 71. Now the last step is to write the place of decimal, which is thousands. Now let's recap. We take the example which is 15.571. Now translate into decimal, which is 15, which is present to the left side of the decimal. Then write and in place of decimal. Then translate on the right side of the decimal, which is 571. Now last step is name the place of decimal, which is thousands. Now let's take another example, which is 14 decimal 24,000. 24,000. Now write it as first step is write the left side whole number, which is 14. Now translate the decimal and write and 24 4 thousands. Now, if you ever check about, we know when we write a check, we write both the numeral and the name of the numbers. Now, let's see how to write the decimal from the number. Now, this is the problem. Now, write how to write the decimals. 13 and 68,000. The first step is look for the word and. Then it locate the decimal point. Place a decimal point under the word and. Now here it is. Now translate the word before the and, which is 13. Write as 13. Now mark the number of decimal places needed to right side of the decimal. Now translate it, which is 68,000s. 8,000s. Now place the 0 at the empty place. Now, this is the 13 and 68,000s. Now, let's solve this problem, which is again how to translate the decimal. First, place the decimal, which is show, and now translate the word which is present at the left side of the and is 5. Now, mark the places which is present on the right side of the decimal, which is thousands. Now, translate it 94,000. 94,000. Now, place the 0 on the 10th space. Now, if we write without a spaces is 5.94,000. This is our answer. Now, let's recap what is decimal. Decimals are another way of writing fractions whose denominators are power of 10. Here is the examples, which is 1/10th, 100th, 1,000ths, and 1/10,000ths. We know the 10,000 is greater than 1, but in case of 1,000ths is less than 1. The th is tell us which number is greater or which number is smaller than 1. This is the place value of decimal numbers are shown to the left and the right of the decimal point, which is help to place the values from the numeral to numbers and numbers to numeral. Great job. Have a nice day. See you next video.